years and years to break down operational silos. And I think that's the first sort of transformation element that we're seeing. That for years, CPG companies were very, very segmented, meaning marketing did marketing, product did product, all the way down to manufacturing, supply chain did supply chain, et cetera. So what we're seeing is a collapse in those operational silos, which is fantastic, because what do I get then? I get distributed manufacturing and almost precision manufacturing, like Harris talked about. I get oodles amounts of data, like Doug talked about, that can be accessed by different constituencies that have certain interest in how other products are performing, and certainly where I might have supply chain bottlenecks. And then my marketing folks, leveraging a lot of the first party data that SAP's ERP provides, and certainly all the great work that Google and TCS do with branding and consumer intimacy. Boy, now I can bring all of that together. And I don't have that opportunity if I'm not in the cloud. And the reason I don't is because I don't have first the scale to pull it all in. There's a lot of, I'll spare our listeners the techno mumbo jumbo, but there's a lot of compute that goes into doing those kinds of things. Second, I think the agility by which you have to act to go ahead and consume that data and make different business decisions to drive different outcomes does not happen if you have a whole bunch of technical debt and other legacy kind of technology that's running your ERP. Third, great firms like TCS now can push out applications and extensions of SAP or coalescence of Google that puts, again, data and application in the hands of users that allow them to drive consumer intimacy or make sure their OTIF, on time and full, to their key big box retailers. So I just think the apropos question isn't what are the advantages of running in cloud. It's, to a certain extent, how can't you run in the cloud in this day and age? And the last thing I'll say is we continue to see security, you said it in your preamble, as a top 5 board issue. Securing your data, your mission critical assets, your IP, all of your, in lots of cases for CP, your pricing, which is the holy grail, especially in an inflationary environment, your recipes in a industrial strength cloud, for me, allows the board to sleep better at night, executives to sleep better at night, because we're fighting all of those bad actors with SAP in our Google defense, 24/7. And with due respect to our clients, I just don't think they have the man and woman power anymore to keep up with all of the different folks that are emerging, given the geopolitical situation and everything else.